In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically replace missing staff from your schedule with your float staff. So here I have a very basic schedule. There's a number of people here. They work alternate days and evenings. They have the weekends off, and so there you. And then below that we have a list of float staff, and A means they're available, and is off is just that they're off that day, so they're not available. And so after they have run their schedule and they have it here, they need to go through and mark the days that they're going to be off. What I've done here is I've put this color here, and that's going to indicate off. And so to any cell that's going to be indicated with off is going to be replaced. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go select it. I'm taking my paintbrush from the toolbar, and let's say this person wanted these 3 days off, and so they're turned into green. And now we'll select it again. This person wanted these 2 days off, and possibly this person wanted those 3 days off. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my replace button, and it's going to replace all the cells that are green with float staff. So I'll click replace, and now what I have here is it's replacing somebody. So now it gives you the initials of the person that's replacing him, and it tells them that this person is working nights. That's the shift he's replacing. And then for here, the first day it's this person, but because it had to go down one because it's off, and then the second day it's this other person. Once again, we have the initials of the person replacing him, and we have the shift that he's working on. Also, in the list of floats, you have next to their name whose shift they're replacing and whether they're working nights or days. Okay, it seems that they're all working nights this time, but there you go. So let's go and let's look at the code. So the code is based on the color, and I've called it sub-fill color in. I've declared ActiveRow as long, worksheet or WS as worksheet, and then I've set worksheet equals sheet 1. RC is integer, replaces a string. Dim I is an integer, and that's the row number. And do until C equals 34 and R equals 6. So if worksheet cells RC interior color equals 43, and that's the color that I have selected up here. If that color in any of these cells for the shift is 43, then I value equals 24. Go to value to find the first A in that column, in that row. Do until value find equals worksheet colors 1C value, and then you go to a loop. And so basically what it's doing is every time it finds a green here, it's going down to my float list here, and it's finding the first available person that has an A next to their name, and it's putting them in the slot up there. And so it keeps doing that until all of the green cells have been replaced with float people, and there you have your staff filled in with floats for absences. So that's how you automatically fill in absences with float people, please subscribe.